chudwa, fried roasted curry leaves, sliced onion with some green chili in a hot oil. Green sliced onion and some curry leaves. We deep fried the onion, curry leaf. That's it. And I have added a pinch of salt with the turmeric and the garlic cloves. Now let's mix this roasted poha in this mixture which we have prepared it. Okay. First we add as the base the roasted one. Layer by layer we do it, and then a little bit of mixture in this way. And then now again we have added one more layer of this poha, and then this we are gonna add the mixture. Again we mix it up. So this is how we mix it. So hot. Okay. So finally this is the dish. Hyderabadi homemade chudwa which moms make specially.